Understanding complete sentences and sentence fragments. Writing clearly is important, and one way to do this is by using complete sentences. A complete sentence is a group of words that have a subject and a verb and express a complete thought. In contrast, a sentence fragment is a group of words that is punctuated as if it were a complete sentence but does not contain both a subject and a verb or does not express a complete thought. Let's explore these concepts in detail. What is a complete sentence? A complete sentence has two main parts, a subject and a verb. The subject names who or what the sentence is about, and the verb tells what the subject is or does. Additionally, a complete sentence must express a complete thought. This means that the sentence makes sense on its own and doesn't leave the reader wondering what comes next. Examples of complete sentences. She runs every morning. Subject, she. Verb, runs. Complete thought. This sentence tells us what she does every morning. The cat sat on the mat. Subject, the cat. Verb, sat. Complete thought. This sentence tells us where the cat is sitting. They are playing soccer in the park. Subject, they. Verb, are playing. Complete thought. This sentence tells us what they are doing and where. What is a sentence fragment? A sentence fragment, on the other hand, is an incomplete sentence. It may lack a subject, a verb, or a complete thought. Sentence fragments can be confusing for the reader because they leave out important information needed to understand the message. Examples of sentence fragments. Running down the street. Lacks a subject. Who is running down the street? Incomplete thought. This does not tell us who is performing the action. When we went to the park. Lacks a complete thought. What happened when we went to the park? This sentence leaves the reader hanging. Because she was tired. Incomplete thought. What happened because she was tired? This fragment does not complete the idea. How to determine if a sentence is complete or fragmented? To determine if a sentence is complete or a fragment, ask the following questions. Does the sentence have a subject? Identify who or what the sentence is about. Does the sentence have a verb? Identify the action or state of being in the sentence. Does the sentence express a complete thought? Ensure that the sentence makes sense on its own and doesn't leave the reader wondering. If the answer to any of these questions is no, then the sentence is likely a fragment. Practice examples. Complete sentence. The dog barked loudly. Subject, the dog. Verb, barked. Complete thought. This tells us what the dog did. Sentence fragment. Barked loudly. Missing subject. We don't know who or what barked. Incomplete thought. This fragment leaves us wondering who or what made the noise. Complete sentence. After the storm, the sky cleared up. Subject, the sky. Verb, cleared up. Complete thought. This tells us what happened after the storm. Sentence fragment. After the storm. Missing verb. We don't know what happened after the storm. Incomplete thought. This fragment does not tell us the complete story. Understanding the difference between complete sentences and sentence fragments is crucial for clear and effective writing. By ensuring that your sentences have a subject, a verb, and express a complete thought, you can communicate your ideas more clearly and avoid confusing your readers. Complete sentence. A complete sentence is a group of words that contains both a subject and a verb and expresses a complete thought. It stands on its own and makes sense without needing additional information. Sentence fragment. A sentence fragment is a group of words that is punctuated as if it were a complete sentence but lacks either a subject, a verb, or does not express a complete thought. It leaves the reader wondering what is missing and doesn't convey a full idea.
This has been a production of DNJ Designs and MathMan 1962. If you want to be informed when new videos are uploaded, click the subscribe button. Adult education instructional materials are available at https://edtech.dnjdesigns.org.